Hey, what's going on guys? This is Gibson back with another video, and today let's take a look at hidden features of WhatsApp you didn't know existed. So without wasting any more time, let's get straight into the video. If you need to save someone's status, you can take a screenshot of it and save the image. But how can you save a status which contains a video? So all you need to do is go into your file explorer and find WhatsApp. Go to media and turn on hidden files. Once you turn on hidden files, you can see this new folder called status. Here you can find all the status. Now all you need to do is copy the status which you want and save it somewhere else. That's it. If you have a dual SIM mobile, chances are you wish to use multiple WhatsApp accounts on the same device. With parallel space, you can use multiple WhatsApp accounts on a single device. Just open the app and tap on the plus button. Now select WhatsApp from the list. You can even use this for apps like Instagram and Snapchat. Once you selected WhatsApp, it will appear in parallel space. Now you can even add it on your home screen. If you want to find out if someone has blocked you on WhatsApp, since you cannot see their status or profile pic, all you need to do is create a new group and add that person. If the group gets created and no one gets added except you, it's sure that the person has blocked you. If you want to see your WhatsApp stats, go to settings, then go into data and storage usage. Here you can see all your chats and how much memory they have consumed. Before moving further into the video, if you are new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any new videos. Let's say you are in a public place and you want to listen to a voice message. Just bring your device close to your ear. The proximity sensor will detect it and the audio will be played from the earpiece. If you want to format your text and make it more attractive, just type whatever you want. Select the text you want to format and click the three dots. From here you can select the option what you want and the text will be formatted. If you want to send your location to a friend who is unaware where you are, you can share your location using WhatsApp. Your friend can then open your location using Google Maps. We all know that the images we send through WhatsApp gets highly compressed and the quality gets reduced. If you want to send an image without losing its quality, try sending the image as a document. It will send the original document without any compression. So that's it guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe.